Hello little gems, I am Swapan, back with my latest video. Please watch the video till the end to learn some easy methods for the beginners. Today I am going to show you how to draw a little Krishna with some very easy and interesting steps. In this picture we will use different type of geometrical shapes to make it much more easier, which is beyond your thought. So at first we will draw a straight line and divide the line into 3 equal parts. Using the line as a balance line, we will draw an U shape for the face like this. Now draw a glass shape. Here use 2 curved lines like a vase, and the basic steps is completed. Now we will add some detailing. Your little Krishna is ready to color. For the color we need to follow the light and shadow portions. finally your little Krishna is completed. And I am recommending all of you that you should try it at home. I'm sure you will enjoy the drawing. Comment me how was your experience and whether the steps were useful or not. Thank you, little champs. We will back again with another new video. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.